Hello everyone, my name is Zamneet Kaur from British Career Group, and today I am going to tell you about latest format of PTE test. So PTE is Pearson Test of English. It is computer based test and 2 hours long. All the modules are covered in one day. We can receive the result on the same day. Sometimes it can take 2 to 5 days. PTE is an integrated test because questions from one module also contribute in the assessment of other modules. So let's start. PTE has 3 parts. First is speaking and writing, second is reading, and third is listening. So let's start with speaking and writing. In speaking, there are 5 parts which are read aloud, repeat sentences, describe image, retell lecture, and answer short questions. Number of questions in final exam will vary, like read aloud will be 6 to 7, in repeat sentences from 10 to 12, describe image 4 to 5, retell lecture from 2 to 3, answer short question from 4 to 5. So next is writing. So there will be only 2 parts in writing session: summarize written text and write essay. The question will vary in summarize written text from 1 to 2 and in write essay from 1 to 2. Next part is reading. In reading, first part is reading and writing blanks, multiple choice questions, multiple answer, reorder paragraph, fill in the blanks, and multiple choice question, single answer. So the question number in the final exam will vary. Reading and writing, fill in the blanks from 5 to 6. In multiple choice question, multiple answer from 1 to 2. In reorder paragraph from 2 to 3. In fill in the blanks from 4 to 5, and in multiple choice question, single answer from 1 to 2. So in reading, there are 2 types of multiple choice question. First one is multiple choice question, multiple answer, and next is multiple choice question, single answer. In multiple answer, we have to choose more than one correct response, and in single answer, we have to choose only one correct response. So last part of PTE test is listening. There are total 8 parts. So first part is summarize spoken text, second is multiple choice question, multiple answer, next is fill in the blanks, and the next one is highlight correct summary, then select missing words, then multiple choice question, single answer, and then highlight incorrect words, and the last part is write from dictation. Summarize spoken text can be 2 to 3, and the MCQs multiple answer can be 1 to 2. Fill in the blanks can be 2 to 3 questions in the final exams, and next highlight correct summary can be 1 to 2. Select missing words can be 1 to 2, and MCQ single answer can also be 1 to 2. The highlight incorrect words can be 2 to 3, and the last part write from dictation can be 3 to 4 questions in the final exam. This is the latest format of PTE test. So one major change that has lately happened in PTE test, that is timing of listening module. In listening module, we will have only 25 minutes and 10 minutes for summarize spoken text and 15 minutes for all these tasks. So prepare yourself accordingly. This was about the latest format of PTE, and in our next video we will be discussing about the score distribution of PTE modules.